How to stake Tfuel by using Doctor Theta's platform. The first thing that we need to do is go to drtheta.io. Once we are there, we need to go to the left part of the website and click in that part that says Node. Then we'll see two options, Theta Guardian and Elite Edge. We'll click on Elite Edge. Then we'll see three different edge nodes that we can use to stake our Tfuels using Doctor Theta. We can see that we have Elite Edge node 001, 002, and 003. Each node gives us their status, their total staked amount of Tfuel, and the summary address. That's the address of the node that we will be using to stake our Tfuel. We can see as well the version of the node, the uptime percentage, and the capacity available to stake Tfuel. We can see that the first node has 61,443 Tfuel staked, and the capacity available is 438,557 Tfuel. On the second node, there are around 11,000 Tfuel staked, and the capacity available is around 488,000 Tfuel. And the third node has no Tfuel staked, so its capacity is 500,000 Tfuel. Remember, the minimum amount of Tfuel that you can stake is 10,000 Tfuels. The next step is to go to thetatoken.org. Once we are on thetatoken.org, the next thing to do is go to the wallet section. It will open another window where we can open our wallet by using a key store, a seed phrase, a private key, or a hardware wallet. In this case, we will be using a hardware wallet. So we click on hardware wallet, then we click on ledger. In this case, I'm using a ledger wallet. Then we click on the drop-down menu and we select the last option, Ethereum Ledger Live M4460. Once we have selected all those options, make sure you have connected your Ledger wallet to your computer and the Ethereum app is open. Then click on Continue. There will be a new window where we can select our wallet address. So we select our wallet and then click on Access My Wallet. Once we have opened our wallet, we'll go to the section Stakes and click there. Then we will go to Deposit Stake and click there. Then we'll see another window and we need to select Edge node, stake Tfuel to earn Tfuel. And then click on Continue. There will be another window where we can see our Tfuel balance and is asking us about the Edge node holder summary. So this Edge node holder summary is the address of the node where we will be staking our Tfuel, the one that Doctor Theta provides us. So we gotta go to Doctor Theta website again. We're gonna look for any of the nodes that has the availability to stake our Tfuel. Right now, the three nodes have the capacity to stake our Tfuel, but in this case, I'm gonna be using the third one, the one that has no Tfuel right now. So we go to this little button right here to copy the address. Then we go to our Theta wallet web page that is open and paste the address that we just copied to the Edge node holder summary. And you enter the amount of Tfuel that you would like to stake. Remember, the minimum amount of Tfuel that you can stake is 10,000 Tfuel. Don't forget that you need 0.3 Tfuel for transaction fee. Then we'll see a confirmation window where we can see the amount of Tfuel that we're going to stake, the node that we are using to stake, our wallet, and the transaction fee. Now just click on confirm and deposit stake. Remember to approve the transaction on your Ledger wallet after confirming and deposit the stake so the transaction can be processed correctly. And after the transaction is approved, in a matter of a few seconds or a couple of minutes, we can see that we have staked our Tfuel. As you can see, we have staked our Tfuel by using Doctor Theta Guardian node.